In this video, we are going to talk about this is why Bitcoin will be 1 million crazy prediction. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. 2022 has been very rough for all the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. In fact, the largest cryptocurrency of the world, Bitcoin has lost nearly 65% of its market value in the entire year of 2022. Crypto enthusiasts were caught off guard by a series of unfortunate events, such as the Terra Luna crash, fallout of the largest crypto exchange FTX, and the looming macroeconomic conditions. But there are several questions which are hovering on everyone's mind. What will happen next? Will Bitcoin ever rise again in 2023? Or will it crash, just like in 2022? Will Bitcoin rise again in 2023? The world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is once again following the path to recovery as the coin has surged almost 1% over the past 1 week, trading at 30,500. Adding up to the monthly gain of 12.87%, according to the latest charts retrieved by CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin, which had an unstable flow till last due to various micro and macro factors, threshold of $31,000 mark. Due to various factors such as dollar weakening, cooling inflation data, pause in rate hike in the US has led to the Bitcoin recovery since the last 2 weeks. According to CoinMarketCap, in the last 24 hours, the global cryptocurrency market has surged nearly 1.37%, standing at $1.19 trillion. Before this rally, Bitcoin had fallen below $26,000 and was trading at 3 months low when the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has sued one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance, and its founder and chief executive officer, Changpeng Zhao, CZ. Bitcoin was trading in the downward trajectory as one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance, got into trouble with the US SEC over mishandling of consumers' funds and violating securities law. In its complaint, the US SEC blamed Binance for creating separate entities as Binance US and Binance.com as part of an elaborate scheme to evade US federal securities laws. It is also alleged that a firm owned by its founder CZ was involved in artificially increasing the trading volume of crypto assets which were listed on its Binance US platform. Crypto experts believe that if Bitcoin sticks to its resistance level of $30,000, then a bounce back could be likely from here. However, breaking the same level can even lead it to the lowest of $28,000 levels. At the time of writing, the global cryptocurrency market capitalization is trading around $1.19 trillion. According to CoinMarketCap, the volume of all stable coins is now $26.23 billion, which is 91.01% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume, and Bitcoin's dominance is currently 49.71%, an increase of 0.10% over the day at the time of writing. Before this, in April 2023, the top cryptocurrency by market value, Bitcoin touched the key resistance level of $30,000 for the first time since June 10, 2022, and then started dipping below till the levels of $26,000. Experts believe that thus, Bitcoin must stick to the levels of $31,000 and more so that it could touch $60,000 by the end of this year. However, the road to recovery is long, as Bitcoin is still down almost 50% from its all-time high, which crossed $69,000 in November 2021. At the start of the year 2023, the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, plunged under the levels of $20,000. But due to factors such as deepening banking crisis in the U.S., weakening of the dollar index and cooling inflation have been able to bring back Bitcoin and other digital currencies to lead the path of resistance. So it will not be wrong to say that the recent financial crisis in the U.S. has enhanced the appetite for the cryptocurrencies, which are referred to as an alternative to the conventional banking system. While the future of Bitcoin remains unknown, retail investors need to be very watchful and cautious about each and every move of Bitcoin, as it has been quite a tumultuous year for Bitcoin. Bitcoiners should not forget that the currency is still trading almost 50% low from its all-time high. The reasons for such volatility has been the macroeconomic conditions of the major markets, such as the US and the UK. Moreover, India's stance on cryptocurrencies continues to be tough, with the government bringing all crypto-related transactions under the ambit of the Money Laundering Act. In a specific Gazette notification, the Union Finance Ministry of India stated that all the transactions related to virtual currencies or digital assets would fall under the purview of Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA. At the face of it, the new development may appear detrimental to the crypto community in India. On ground, the move has been lauded by the industry at large, as this is a step towards regulating this space, where in absence of regulators, the enforcement agencies will directly take recourse to any discrepancies. One of the other reasons why experts are bullish on Bitcoin is that next year, 2024, is a year for Bitcoin's halving event. The Bitcoin halving event happens every 4 years, in which Bitcoin rewards to its miners are cut in half. Miners' payout will be reduced to 3.125 BTC. This event is generally viewed as positive for Bitcoin's price, as halving helps in contracting supply. Historically, halving has been seen as a very good sign for bringing momentum in Bitcoin's price. So, if we closely observe the data, past Bitcoin halving events have been able to establish long-term bullish drivers for Bitcoin's price. The Bitcoin halving event directly relates to its deflationary tendency and squeezes its supply, which helps the BTC price to rise further. As Bitcoin, being a decentralized cryptocurrency, cannot be printed by governments or any central banks, and thus the total supply of Bitcoin is limited. Moreover, large investors, which are known as Bitcoin whales, have started accumulating BTC once again. According to data from on-chain aggregator Sentiment, the large Bitcoin whales are holding between 1,000 to 10,000 BTC in their wallets, indicating that investors have been filling up their wallets with a lot of BTC, which might show the recovery sign in the price of Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin reach $100,000 by 2023? We all know that BTC has rallied more than 80% since the start of this year. With such massive and unexpected gains, it has surely outpaced several other major assets and given tremendous returns to those who have bought BTC at dips. The industry is really excited to witness the new peak of the world's largest cryptocurrency and hoping for more. Marshall Beard, Chief Strategy Officer at US-based cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, believes Bitcoin to break all-time highs this year. He said, $100,000 price figure is an interesting number if Bitcoin gets to its previous record high of near $69,000. Can Bitcoin reach $1 million by 2025? Bitcoin lovers always have too bright and at times impossible predictions for their favorite currency. And post this mini bull run, there are several discussions running around that the world's largest digital coin, BTC, could even witness a level of $10 lakh by the year 2025. This notable and hypothetical figure of $10 lakh has been echoed by a number of prominent personalities in the crypto space. Recently, one of the leading British multinational banks, Standard Chartered, raised its prediction price for the Bitcoin from $100,000 to $120,000 by the end of 2024, in one of its latest research reports citing more profitability to Bitcoin miners.